something. What say you, little Sergey? Yes, you are so smart. Then there's this one. You're the worst ball favorite. I swear, What's this? This from Thief of Tiger. Yes, smell. You bring that tiger back, and if you don't, that one will be a new coat for little Sergey.